DNA fingerprinting. DNA fingerprinting is a test in which the sequence order of nitrogen bases present in DNA molecules is scientifically analyzed, and it is determined to which person's DNA that DNA resembles. This highly advanced technical method, called DNA fingerprinting, is being used to identify criminals and parents. This method is called by different names, such as DNA profiling, DNA typing, and genetic fingerprinting. However, among the 3 billion nucleotides in human DNA molecules, more than 99% resembles DNA of other individuals. DNA fingerprinting steps. First, obtaining DNA. Second, fragmentation of DNA. Third, separating DNA into fragments through electrophoresis. Fourth, identification of DNA nature. Fifth, blotting. Sixth, identifying DNA through probes. Seventh, preparing DNA fingerprint. DNA fingerprinting protocol. First, obtaining DNA. DNA collection. DNA can be collected from any body sample or liquid, from saliva, blood, cells, or through hair. If more copies of DNA are required, they can be amplified through PCR. Second, fragmentation of DNA. DNA molecules are cut at specific sites using restriction endonuclease enzymes and divided into small fragments. This process is called restriction digestion. Third, separation of DNA fragments by electrophoresis. DNA fragments obtained in different sizes are separated as individual bands by Agarose Gel Electrophoresis method. Fourth, denaturation of DNA. Converting double-stranded DNA fragments into single-stranded DNA by separating the hydrogen bonds present between them is called denaturation. Fifth, blotting. A polished nitrocellulose filter paper is placed on agarose gel plate, and paperweights are placed over it to separate single-stranded DNA bands from gel plate. In this method, DNA bands along with moisture present in gel are transferred onto nitrocellulose filter paper. This is called blotting. Sixth, identifying DNA through probes. Radioactive probes are added to DNA molecules. These probes are prepared with fluorescent substances. Therefore, they are also called fluorescent probes. DNA bands which do not undergo hybridization are removed with water. Seventh, preparing DNA fingerprint. Due to effect of radioactive substances present in probes, an image of DNA bands is formed on photographic film opposite to the position where identified DNA is present. The DNA band at the image position is considered as DNA fingerprint. In the fingerprints prepared in this way, small variations are formed because of VNTRs and STRs. By comparing these, we can identify individuals. Applications of DNA fingerprinting. Forensic analysis. Thieves, murderers, and rapists can be identified. Biological materials used for DNA profiling are blood, hair, saliva, semen, body tissues, cells, etc. DNA separated from evidence sample can be compared through VNTR prototype. Taxonomical applications. Evolutionary history. Evolutionary history of organisms can be known. Pedigree analysis. The manner in which a gene is transmitted in different generations can be known. Identification of AIDS. AIDS disease is identified by comparing HIV RNA bands with human blood. Personal identification. Individual identification. Individuals can be identified using DNA fingerprints. Conservation of wildlife. DNA fingerprinting is useful for conservation of endangered species. For that purpose, their DNA records are preserved. Medicolegal cases. Resolution of medicolegal disputes. Maternity as well as paternity can be identified accurately.